back again to my channel. This is Kshitij Raj and you're watching Shinpot. So in last scratch video we made a clock. In that we can see date and time both. And today we are going to make a calculator, as you can see here. Yeah. So let's start. Okay. So for that we will just create a sprite first, and then we will keep it blank. We will go to direct code. Okay, then we will name this sprite as calculator. Okay, this is a blank sprite. Okay. So after that, first we have to make some variables. I have already made, but I will made it for you. Okay, so we will just delete all this. Okay. So variables are first number. Okay, then same second number. Yeah, and then third, not third number, it will be result. Okay, so it will be for all sprites. Okay, so we will hide all of it, and then I will show you how. I already made it. I will show you how. Okay, so this is my project. We will put Kshitij Raj here, and then he will say hello Kshitij Raj, your name. And then what would you like to do? Let's put plus sign. Okay, then give me a first number. So first number will be our 10. Okay, so second number will be 15. Yeah, so total is 25. Yeah, it's right. Okay, so now let's begin our, and then now we will go to here. When clicked green flag, and now we will ask what's your name. This is not necessary, it's for fun only. Okay, then after that we will go to looks, and we will say we will take say hello for 2 seconds block, and then we will go to operator, scroll down, and then we have here a join apple and banana. Okay, so we will put it in hello block. Okay, then in place of apple we will write hello. Okay, hello. And in place of banana, and we will give a gap when after writing hello. Okay, then on place of banana we will put answer block. Okay, so let's try it out. What's your name? Kshitij Raj. Okay, so hello Kshitij Raj, simple. Okay, so we now we will start our main work, that is making a calculator. It's pretty simple, and it's pretty confusing also, but not very much. Then and we will do same for plus, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, then after that, after taking for your block, we will go to sensing and say ask. We will put what do you want to do, and we will put a plus sign, comma, minus sign, comma, star, and then divide. Okay, so then we have taken here. So we will go to controls. We will say if then, and then we will take we will go in operators, and we will take this block. Dash is equal to dash. Okay, so we will in dash we will put answer, and now we are going to do first we are going to do for addition. Okay, so we will do like this, plus. Okay, and if answer is equal to plus, then what? Then we will ask, again we will ask uh, give me first number. Okay, and wait, and then after that we will go to variables, then we will say set first number to the answer of it. Okay, and then after that we will again ask uh, give me second number. Okay, and then again we will take set, but we will put here second number. Okay, and 2, and we will set it to answer, its answer. Okay, so after that we will go in here, and we will say, okay, then no, not here. First we will take this, and then we will say set results to we will go to operators, and we will, you can see here there are 4 operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we will take first addition, we are doing addition, then we will put it to in 0. Okay, then we will say set results to first number plus second number. Okay, and then we will say results for 5 seconds. Okay, so then if we will save it first, and then if we go and say Kshitij Raj, and then he will say hello Kshitij Raj, what do you want to do? We have only done plus, then we will check plus, then plus, give me first number. So we will take 10. Okay, give me second number, again 10. So answer is 20. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so after that he will repeat that thing again. Okay, so we just have to copy all of this. Okay, all of this right here, we will copy here, and then we have to do some changes, like, means we will duplicate it and put here, and we have to do some changes, that is in if then answer is equals to minus. Now we are doing minus, so we will put minus, then same give me first number, then number set first number to answer, then give me second number and wait, and then set second number to answer, and then here set results to first number plus second number. We will remove it, we will remove first number and second number from here, we will put it back, go in operators, then we will take this minus block. Okay, so after that we will put first number, then second number, and we will put here. Okay, so this is for minus. Okay, then we will put it right behind here. Okay, right below this. Okay, so after that we will do the same for all. Okay, so we will copy from here, not here, from here, then again we will put here, then now we are going to do for multiplication, then we will put a star, then ask, then same, and then we will remove this, take this, put it here, and then we will say into, we will take into block, and then we will take first number into second number, and then we will put it to set results to 0. Okay, after that same you say results, and then same put it here, and then again we will duplicate it, place it here, then we will go here and put slash now. Okay, after that we will say same, and then we will take this, we will remove to this, and then we will take this slash block, okay, means divide. Okay, then we will put first number here, second number here, put this to set results to 0 in 0. So put this again, wait second, huh? Yeah, put this again here. Okay, now let's try it out. What's your name? Kshitij Raj. Okay, hello Kshitij Raj. What do you want to do? We check out for plus, we will now take minus. Okay, then wait a second. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Sorry, I have put all of the if then and all in one only. So we have to do it in another, in for behind, means below the if then. Okay, we will put it here. Then we will remove this here. Then we will put it here. Okay, so let's try it out. What's your name? Kshitij Raj. Then hello Kshitij Raj. Then now we will say negative, and then wait a second. We just have to ask what do you want for one time only. Okay, we will put all second, third. What do you want? We will put here, and then here also we will take this and put it here. Then we will try. Okay, so wait second. Was same that uh, we we don't want to ask what do you want again and again. We have to ask once only, and then we have to put if then, all if then below the if then. Okay, like this. I write here, देखो, like see here, ask what do you want to do, and then if answer, then we put a ask again, but we don't have to do it. We just have to start if then. Okay, so we'll do like this, and this is the, we will put it back there, and then we will start. Now he'll first save the project, or it will be gone again. Then now Kshiti Raj, and then hello Kshiti Raj. What do you want to do? Okay, we will say minus. Give me first number, correct? So we will say 10. Give me second number 5, and the answer is 5. Great. So same. Now we will try it out with multiplication. Okay, it will be asking forever. What do you want? Okay, till you don't stop. Okay, so we will try it out with multiplication. Give me first number. So first number will be say 2. Give me second number 2. Then the answer is 4. Great. So, and now we have division. We will say slash. You give me first number. Then we will say here 2. Yeah, no, 4. Okay, so give me second number, will be 2. So the answer is 2. Very good. So guys, this is our project. This is completed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for next and exciting videos. Okay, and sorry for last video to be very late. I was busy, so I will not do it again. So thank you. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.